Evening and welcome back to the channel. This time we're going to deal with the front end of the Vectra. It's looking a bit sorry for itself. Well, the first thing that's obvious to see, I hope it comes out on camera, is these two headlights, different light. This one's a bit brighter than this one, and also this headlamp has gone a bit cloudy. I'm going to deal with that later on. But the other thing that's a problem is this broken grille. I'm going to be selling this car on, so I want it to be as good as I possibly can. And I've got another grille here that I bought on eBay. Just clean it up, and we'll get it fitted. Okay, I've given it a bit of a clean, and the grille is held on by 8 screws. So what I'll do is I'll put you guys on time lapse. Well, some of these screws are proving tough to shift because I started rounding off because of rust. So I'm just going to have to leave that job for now. Now I've swapped out this headlight bulb, and that's the reason for the difference, because this is one of those blue high performance bulbs. I'll just turn headlights on, you'll see what I mean. And you can see that the light's pretty much equal on both sides. Obviously that's cloudy, but it's pretty much the same. So that's it for tonight. Okay, it's now the next day, and the good news is I managed to loosen 6 of the screws. So it just leaves 2 to get out, which I've rounded off. Now, I could do one of several things. I could drill the bolts, the screw heads out. I could grind them off, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, I've got this Dremel tool. What I'll do is cut a slot, grind a slot, so I can get a flat-bladed screwdriver in. So, I'll put you guys on time lapse and we'll get these screws out. Well, that worked a treat. If you can see there, just ground a slot, a straight slot, get in with a flat bladed screwdriver. Now it comes, I don't have to worry about screw rusting because it's going into plastic. Right, let's see if we can get this broken grille out. I've got all my screws. Just tap it back and it should lift out. So there's the broken one next to the not broken one. So just get that fitted. And I won't show you putting screws in. It's boring. So give me just a sec. Once I've got these screws now, I'll get back to you. Well, I think that's looking better than it did before. Next job is to sort out the headlight. Now I've ordered some stuff on Amazon. I'm just waiting for that to arrive. So I'm expecting that tomorrow. So once that arrives, we'll get on with restoring that headlight. So see you a bit later on. Another day's gone by and the stuff has arrived through the post. It's called Lamp Doctor. I got this on Amazon, so I'll put a link in the description along with my Dremel tool as well. I'll put a link to that from Toolstation. Anyway, what I'll do, just to show the difference, I'll put some tape down and do one side. Right, I've got the headlamp masked up and I'll just get a bit of paste on it. got myself a suitable cloth. And what we do is we just polish until the haze is gone. So what I'll do is I'll put you guys on time lapse. Well, I'm not totally happy with the way it turned out. It did work a bit, but not as much as I'd hoped. Anyway, as you can see, overall it's generally better than it was before. And I'll see if I can put up some video of what it was like before, and you can see the difference. Anyway, that is it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.